right, trying some new stuff. This is from the Indian Masala House lunch buffet every day. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is the butter chicken. Boneless chicken in a cream, nut, and tomato gravy. Gluten-free. Gluten-free. Okay. It's got basmati rice. Basmati rice. And chicken. So I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna try the chicken by itself. So the description of the sauce was cream, nut, and tomato gravy. So let's see here. Oh yeah, you can taste the cream right away.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, buttery after flavor. Yeah. A little bit of spice, a little spicier than the mango because the mango is kind of sweet. I just had that. Yeah, this is really tasty. It's got a nice flavor profile. I wish I knew more about Indian spices in order to describe it, but it's definitely got a wonderful richness to it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll keep trying this. These guys just opened near our house, so we're gonna keep trying this. I'll let you know what kulfi is someday. Indian ice cream.
Nice.
Yeah, gluten-free ice cream. Well, hey, you know, that's pretty awesome, actually. I kind of like it. The fact that they're English
Yeah.
means they're like native. That's when you get good ethnic food, when like the natives are cooking for you.
Yeah.
So that's cool. I can dig it. All right, that's all I got. Oh, Kismis Kheer. Cool, milky rice pudding with almonds, pistachios, and raisins. Yeah, we're going to be trying this menu up and down.